Hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Gold.
Ako si Weng, matagal ko na ang iniinda yung sakit ng likod ko. Talagang napakasakit. Pero pag take ko ng Santon Plus Gold, sa loob ng 2 linggo, hindi na sumasakit ang likod ko.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold. Sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santhone Plus Gold ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up.
May budget.
So solid. White Rose Papaya. Wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya. Wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with the White Rose Papaya.
Puti sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up with the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Puti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Airport na kami. Saan ka na? 10 a.m. na.
Ha? Di ba mamayang gabi pa flight natin?
Ay, malabo.
Tingin ko sa ticket, PM pa flight natin eh.
Para malinaw.
Have your eyes checked for state-of-the-art facilities, expert eye care, affordable eyewear. Go to EO Executive Optical.
EO, love your eyes. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
DMC Philippines presents the music of Earth, Wind, and Fire by the Chicago Funk. And Lionel Richie by the Richie Experience. Invite you to sing a song all night long. Don't miss this tribute to the legends live in concert. For the first time ever, a tribute to Earth, Wind, and Fire and Lionel Richie together on one magical night you don't want to miss. On March 3 at 8 p.m. at Newport Performing Arts Theater at Newport World Resorts. Also featuring our very own FBC Rebirth. Book your tickets now. Available at Ticket World and DMC Philippines. This event is brought to you by DWWW 774.
Sa mundong puno ng ingay, ang pag-ibig ang pinakatahimik na lakas. Nararamdaman, hindi ipinipilit. Ngayong buwan ng mga puso, piliin nating magmahal. Buo, tapat, at walang kondisyon. Isang mensahe mula sa DWWW 774. Your ultimate news and music radio.
Si Brian Kitoriano, Ilocano, nang gigising sa inyo sa 774 Head